May we request our signatories to kindly rise. May we now request House Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez and Governor Tamayo will now exchange and present the signed document. May we request for another photo opportunity together with the President.
This is a very momentous event, no, that we have to be here as chairman of the party ng Lakas. So, kailangan nandito tayo to support. At siyempre, yung alyansa ng PFP at ng Lakas ay napakalaking bagay para sa administrasyon ng ating mahal na Pangulo, Bongbong Marcos.
As members of both parties have now formalized and built an alliance that will propel our country towards the bagong Pilipinas that we envision. What we have conceptualized is what really began in the previous campaign and the previous election, and we are encouraged na lumakas ang loob natin dahil ang isinisigaw natin nung kampanya ay ang pagkakaisa, unity. Kaya binuo natin yung tinatawag nga naman na unity. And ito naman, nakita naman natin na tanggap ng taong bayan ang ating mensahe tungkol sa pagkakaisa. At bukod pa doon, nung tayo matagumpay na sa ating kampanya, matagumpay na tayo sa eleksyon, ang dinala natin, ipinagpatuloy natin yung ating pagkakaisa.